What's the plan today, Bill?
We're gonna go try and tackle the outer mound.
There it is. That's the weapon. Little windy out here today. It's gonna be fun. See how it goes. Does your backwards guy normally sit backwards the whole time?
No.
We're going nuts to butt?
You're gonna go nuts to butt with me. We're gonna rip out. A little bit sporty out here today. It's pretty sporty. It's like what, 2 feet at 5 seconds, which is ridiculous. We didn't know that it was gonna be this this messy out here, but we're giving it a go. We're in some good zones right now. We're in about 80 feet of water.
Outriggers are out.
Outriggers are out. We got J-Nug manning down the lines, making sure there's no weeds on them. Definitely a lot of scattered weeds out here. Little storm was pretty gnarly. It's definitely not the most ideal conditions out here to go fish today, but
Not ideal.
we're committed. Hooked up on the first fish of the day. What do you think it is?
Oh, no. It was a nice little run there to begin with, but the drag was pretty loose. So. Decent amount of head shake. Could see the bonita.
We'll see what it is. You want me to reel this other line in?
Yeah. Slow right turn.
Yeah. Finally, we got a fish. We're in about 120 feet of water. Slow start to the morning. We were talking about how amazing it is to just be on the ocean. Boom. Got struck. What is this thing? Coming at us. Pretty tiny. Not really pulling too much drag, huh?
I think it's
Bonita. Oh, it hit the frickin' teaser too. That's crazy. Freaking bonita.
all action is welcome at this point.
Yeah. Let's see it. Oh yeah. We're trying to get some freaking mahi. Find us a mahi.
You know how you release these, right?
Yeah. It's straight down.
Torpedo.
All right.
made it back safe and sound. One bonita. I feel like I want to kiss the ground right now. Pretty happy to be back. So, back in the truck now after my first time jet ski fishing offshore, and I have to say that was quite the experience. When we got there this morning, we noticed the wind was blowing a little bit harder than we thought it was going to be. We were expecting maybe 3 to 5 mile per hour winds. We get there, it's blowing 15, and we get out there, and by the end of the day, gusts easily 19-20 miles an hour, 2 to 3 foot wind chop, and we were getting our butts absolutely kicked out there on that jet ski. We did have a great time. Only caught one bonita, not a good day of fishing, but super fun experience. If you really want to challenge yourself in your offshore fishing game, try doing it on a jet ski. It's not easy. Very little space to work. Not being able to stand up and walk around a boat made it difficult. It's definitely a challenge. It was a unique challenge. It was a fun experience though. Very appreciative to Zach for taking me with him, helping me record some videos, and yeah, we had a good time. That's gonna be it for this video. Next video will probably be back working on the boat, hopefully get my boat fixed so I don't have to go break my back in a jet ski in 3-foot seas offshore. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Until next time.